everybody.
Hello.
How are you today?
Fine.
Remind me, what are we working on?
Oh, we're still working on the Madeleine project.
And where are we at?
Yeah, we looked at the competition. The market is totally saturated, so we really need to be different in the market.
Okay, great. Show me what you have.
Let's see how the market is segmented. The market is driven by two categories, the brand and the private labels. In the brands, Madeleine are divided in three categories: families, organic, and gluten-free. These two last are the new trend in the food industry and are growing. Indeed, organic products appear also in the private label. Private label propose also Madeleine for families, but in a lower price. Discounts and hard discounts are also growing. Let's see now the brands competition. In the families categories, the market is driven by four brands: Kerkadelac, Saint-Michel, Leuster, and Bonne Maman. In the organic category, we have more brands, as the market is driven by specific brands in the organic products as Bjorg, Biosoleil, Cereal, and Valpibio. But we can see that some brands understand the importance of the organic trend today. It's the reason why Kerkadelac and Leuster propose organic Madeleine, also gluten-free, is still a new trend in the food industry, and this category is only driven by specific brands such as Céliane, Via Delis, Gerblé, and Allergo. As you can see on the packaging of the leaders, all use the color red. All show the product on the packaging, and Saint-Michel shows the ingredient of the recipe. For the organic products, colors are green, like the color of the label.
In terms of positioning, the Madeleine market is very competitive but has no precise leader. Saint-Michel, Leuster, and Kerkadelac are offering customers a range of low prices and average quality Madeleine. Also, they are located in the warm area of their section. They all three use red and white colors to attract customers' eye. Bonne Maman is establishing the link between these products and the more expensive ones. Apart from Bonne Maman, these actors are organic or only retailed in dailies. That is why a premium Madeleine, like Les Gourmandises de Paulin, has a chance to be attractive on the market because it will be a combination of a premium price and a high quality product, even different from Bonne Maman, which would be our main threat. Madeleine is a smooth and comforting product that we all have in mind as our childhood cake. That is why all the main brands that we can find easily in stores are using the innocent archetype. Life is good and simple, just like the product they are selling. Indeed, Leuster, Bonne Maman, and Saint-Michel are using that archetype to show customers their products are feel good. Both organic brands, Bjorg and Gerblé, are using the caregiver archetype. As they promote quality and green, they look reliable and sincere for customers. Finally, Maison Colibri, which offers a premium product, uses sophistication and its expertise skills to promote their high-price brand. As they are quite similar, we gathered brand stories in different groups. All of them have been created in the 20th century or late 19th century. About the common points of the first group, Saint-Michel, Kerkadelac, and Leuster, all come from a local biscuit factory in Britain and convey tradition and convivial values. Bonne Maman happens to be similar to those brands in that it carries the same values. But Bonne Maman was initially created to sell jam. The Madeleine is not their core product and only appeared in their range in 1997. The second group is Gerblé and Bjorg, which were both created in Lyon in a healthy approach and both organic-oriented. Finally, Maison Colibri is a premium brand created in a Madeleine factory in Paris. It conveys modernity and inventiveness values. Endorsement could be used on that last one brand with Christophe Michalak, a well-known French pastry chef who could convey a young and modern image of the Madeleine.
We have identified two main targets that are either families or workers. In terms of age, we are going to target people between 25 years and 50 years old. With our Madeleine, rediscover your break, either at work, at school, or with your family on a Sunday afternoon, remembering your week. Why are we different from our competitors? At the moment, people have totally lost confidence in the supermarket and in large retailers, for a number of reasons, such as lack of traceability. Now, people are more willing to do homemade products. We have taken into account this observation. That is why we are committed to certify a production in France and more specifically in Lorraine. To reassure our customers as much as possible, we will put on the back of our package all the information containing product traceability. Moreover, we guarantee an incomparable taste to the other products made available on the shelves in supermarkets. We are 5 students from Schema Business School who have decided to get into the amazing entrepreneurial venture. We had the idea to transform the traditional Madeleine with modernity. We decided to come back to the origins of the Madeleine in the heart of Lorraine, in the east of France. In a old factory of cakes, we took advantage of the skills and the tradition coming from the locality in order to propose a cake of a homemade quality. The cake of our grandmother made with organic, fresh and local product. Let you rediscover the pleasures of our childhood. Les Gourmandises de Paulin brings the famous Madeleine up to date. Our wish, a quality and an irreproachable freshness for your breaks at any time of the day. Rediscover your break with Les Gourmandises de Paulin.